First of all, just to get started, what can you tell us about your Prometheus character?
I play Captain Yannick, who captains the ship called Prometheus. It's a big vessel. He works for the Weyland Company. He's very much an employee. He's very much a career captain. In other words, sort of really used to flying long hauls in space and darkness with no one around except for his team. He's very much sort of like a straight down the line character within this film. There are scientists, there are corporate people, and there is Yannick.
So your scenes are all aboard the actual Prometheus. Can you tell me what it was like filming on the spaceship set?
Yeah, it was built to scale. It was huge, humongous thing in the middle of Pinewood Studios, and I personally spent a lot of time walking around the ship looking at the details because this is what Captain Yannick has done most of his life. And it sat on a gimbal. The whole ship sat on a gimbal, so action, he would tip it, and these flight sequences felt really real because I physically moved about. Quite an experience.
They seem to be hinting from the little bit of footage that's been out that this android, David, is going to be kind of self-aware, have a lot of human emotions. Can you speak at all to that?
There's certainly an amazing storyline for that character. And if you consider that an android could possibly think on its own then you could imagine the scope. And also you can imagine what he could possibly get up to on a spaceship a million miles away from human civilization. So, without saying too much, David's character is an amazing storyline. Michael Fassbender is an amazing actor, and he pulls that out in a way that's quite chilling to watch.
Big things have small beginnings.